In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a time entry in Hubstaff. Time tracking is an essential task for many businesses and freelancers, allowing us to be organized and efficient. Hubstaff is a great tool for this purpose, but sometimes you might find that you need to split a time entry into separate parts. Whether it's for accurate reporting or to better allocate hours to different projects, splitting time entries can help maintain a clear and detailed record of how time is spent. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Hubstaff account. Now, navigate to the timesheet section. You'll find this in the left sidebar of your Hubstaff dashboard. Simply click on Timesheets and then select View and Edit. This is where all your recorded time will be displayed and where you'll perform the split. Once you're in the timesheet section, you'll notice that you can view your entries in different formats: daily, weekly, or in a calendar view. Choosing the right view for your needs can make the task much more manageable. For today, select the view that you are most comfortable with or that gives you the clearest overview of your time entries. Scroll through the entries to locate the specific time entry you wish to split. It's a good idea to already have an idea of the time slot you want to adjust. This will make the process quicker. After finding the correct entry, look for the Actions option, often depicted as a small drop-down or menu icon. Click on this to open a list of options available for the selected entry. Now, with the Actions menu open, you will typically find various commands related to the time entry. You will notice options such as editing the entry, splitting it, or deleting it altogether if that is necessary. Although our focus today is on splitting, it's important to note that Hubstaff gives you multiple ways to manage and adjust your time recordings to best fit your reporting requirements. At this point, unfortunately, the standard Hubstaff interface does not provide a direct split command within the Actions menu. Instead, to effectively split a time entry, you would first delete the current entry and then manually add two new time entries that accurately represent the split. Click on Delete Time Entry and confirm when prompted. This step will remove the original entry. This may seem like a bit of extra work, but it allows you to specify precise start and end times for each new entry. After deleting, return to the main view and add your new entries following the previous entry's time span. This manual process ensures that your time data remains as accurate and useful as possible. Remember, keeping your entries updated and correctly segmented can greatly enhance the reliability of your reports. That's it for today's tutorial. With practice, these steps will become an easy part of how you manage your time entries on Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and be sure